Guys, today I will be explaining about how to add multiple email address on Shopify store. This process is simple and easy, but before going any further, let me explain the benefit of adding multiple emails. The main benefit is that will be your recovery email, which will make your account more secure. If you forgot the password of your one email, then secondary email will help you to sign in your account. So it will be like a two-step verification. So now in order to add multiple emails, you have to sign in that account on which you want to add. And once you do, you will see the same interface like me. Here, take a look on the right top, you can see the option of My Store. Click on it, and here tap on the option Manage Account. Once you will click on it, another window will be open. And here you can manage your account, like you can verify your email, you can upload a picture, and much more. In order to add another email, take a look on the left side, you can see the option of Security. Simply click on this option. And here the first one is create a passkey. Second one is password, and here you can see the option of secondary email. You can also read a secondary email can be used to restore access to your account. Security notification also sent to this email address. After reading it, here you can see this option is disabled. It's due to I have not verified this email by which I create my Shopify account. So the first thing is I need to verify it. Once I will verify, this option will be enabled, and by clicking on it, I can write my secondary email. After writing, I have to add that. A notification will send to that email which I want to add, and you have to verify this to that email. Once you will verify, that will be added this one, and that will be your secondary email. And that's it.